Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to achieve that concrete effect on cakes using ganache and a white gel color. Concrete cakes have been popular recently and this is the easiest way that I know to achieve that effect. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! So what we need here is, of course, the cake. Whatever flavor you like. I made the vanilla cake for this one. We need a white chocolate ganache, a black gel color, a white gel color, and a sheet of edible gold leaf. We have to use white chocolate ganache because we're going to color the ganache gray later on. So now we're just assembling the cake. So we have 3 layers, and then each layer is filled with white chocolate ganache. I haven't colored it first because I want, when you cut the cake, the color of the cake inside is, white or yellowish. I like to brush my cakes with simple syrup, so that'll be, to make a simple syrup, there'll be just equal parts of water and sugar. So it means 1 part sugar, 1 part water, or 2 parts sugar, 2 parts water. You know what I'm saying? So we just have to assemble the cake, glue the cake onto the board using the ganache, and then fill the layers with white chocolate ganache. With here I use the acrylic disc method into achieving that sharp edge look. Now we've finished the crown coat, and now we have to color the white chocolate ganache with the black gel color. Add a few drops and then mix it, and if you're happy on how gray the outcome would be, then you can stop from there. But if you want a darker gray, you can add more drops of the black gel color to achieve that dark concrete effect. It depends on your taste actually. So you just have to add and add if you want it darker, and then mix. And then after that, we apply that onto the cake. I like to use a stainless steel scraper to scrape the side of the ganache and the top so that we'll have that sharp edge as a result. I use stainless steel because I like to dip it in hot water to warm the steel, and then when you scrape it onto the cake, it will melt the ganache a little bit, and then it'll be easier for you to scrape and make the side really smooth. Because at some point the ganache will harden a little bit while you're working on it, so it'll be easier for you to scrape and smoothen out the side using that warm stainless steel scraper. And I also like to use a leveler to make sure that the cake is balanced. We don't want our cakes to be wonky. At this point, you just have to be patient and never give up, because you just have to scrape the sides of the cake, and then eventually scrape the top of the cake to achieve that sharp edge look. So to achieve that concrete look, all you have to do is to get a white gel color, put it in a bowl, and then use a plastic flexible scraper and then tap that onto the bowl and then scrape the sides of the cake to get that concrete look. I added some flowers onto the cake to make it more beautiful. You can put fresh flowers or gum-based flowers. In my case, I put gum-based flowers because I previously made some gum-based flowers. And I also put an edible gold leaf to get that trendy look that we're seeing on the internet. And at the end, I added a happy birthday cake topper because this cake is for a friend of mine for her birthday. I hope you learned something from my tutorial. I'll see you again next time. See you soon. Bye!